Hey, good morning everyone. Nick Criswell here with Johnson RV. Want to show you a quick video on stock number 21713, the 2020 Heritage Glen 23 rear bath. This is a beautiful coach, very short in length, so it's going to be a lot easier to maneuver and park. One thing I love about this product is the size of their pass-throughs. If you notice right here, this is a very large pass-through storage all the way across, so it's going to make it really easy to load and unload your gear. Looks like they've added an inverter in here on the right, an additional battery as well, and you still got tons of room. I also want to point out this is equipped with a slide topper, which I think should be mandatory on every RV. You're also going to have a power tongue jack with a light and a couple of LPs in this container here to run the propane. You got a nice rock guard. It's also going to be equipped with solar on the side for a nice plug and play if you want to add any additional solar. You've got a very large 16-foot power awning all the way down. You got a nice spot here to mount a TV on the outside to enjoy some outside entertainment, and you have the outdoor speakers as well. You got solid surface steps to enter the coach to give you a little bit of peace of mind there. Located here in the back, you've got an additional luggage rack and a spare tire. You can never have enough room for storage, that's for sure. As we check out the inside, one thing I love about this coach is the amount of room and all the counter space with the large L shape you have in here. Tons of room for prepping and entertaining. You have a beautiful 3-burner cooktop with the oven underneath, the microwave above, deep sink with the pull-down spray faucet. And again, just notice all the counter space you have in this short RV. You've got a very nice queen walk-around bed with an incredible amount of storage above it and on both sides where the wardrobes are. Power outlets with USBs as well. If you need additional sleeping, you have a very nice pull-out sofa right here for additional sleeping as well for another adult or a couple of children located on the slide. Very large 3-way fridge freezer. And then even if the slide is still fully enclosed and you're traveling down the road, you can still open the door, stop, and then you have this large corner bath here. Again, this is stock number 21713. You can check it out online at johnsonrv.com, or please give myself or one of the guys on the team a call at 458-226-2472.